Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Cardano video, and aren't we excited today? All-time high on Bitcoin. Cardano is doing very well with 4% towards the upside. You can see this big green candle up here. I mean, everything is looking very nice. This is probably the best confirmation of the bull run you're gonna get. We're pretty confident after 60k, but getting above the all-time high, even with the week above 64.8k, right now sitting at 66,600. That's super nice. That's super nice. Now, assuming the bull run is in effect technically confirmed, we're gonna continue at least until 80k or something like that. We can also confirm that altcoins are gonna pop. Now if altcoins pop, that's gonna be good times. That's gonna be good times, and we already see right now that a lot of altcoins are doing the pretty decent numbers, and Cardano being one of them. Now, Cardano is doing very nicely up here, going up to this 20 moving average up here. It was bleeding for the last 4 days towards the downside, but we said like down here, this support, should not be broken. And you can see here today, down here, we are down on the support at $2 and holding this 200 moving average very nicely. Right now we're trying to get back above these moving averages. It might take a day or two. We don't actually know how long it's gonna take, but the good thing is it did not crash through the bottom down here and crash through the support. So support is still holding. There is actually no problem whatsoever. It's a nice pump up here after 4 days towards downside, keeping these levels these support levels up here, pumping up. Still cannot get above the 10 and 20 moving average, but it's not that they cannot get above 10 and 20. I think it's more that somebody is manipulating the price to the downside, just keeping it in range, just accumulating, doing something, just waiting for the Bitcoin to hit 80k, then release the dogs towards the upside. At least what we're thinking, right? Now there is this triangle that's going on that we've been talking a lot about here, right? And I've been looking at triangle, and this is one way to draw the triangle. Now it does look like it has a lot more to go. There is another way to draw the triangle, but I was looking at this 4-hourly triangle as well, and I think the 4-hourly triangle might be give us a little bit better indication of the moves where we should be, and I think it might be something like this up here, pretty decent. This smaller triangle, and I think this small triangle is pretty decent because it does confirm a couple of times up here, a couple of times up here, very nice touches on the line, that this triangle is gonna be in effect pretty significant. Now if we pop the moving averages up here, we'll also see that this pump from the support down here went all the way to the 200 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame, which is actually quite significant right now. So what I'm thinking right now, we're gonna just stay here for a while. How long that's gonna take, a day or two, I'm not quite sure, maybe a couple of 4-hourly frames, and then we're gonna break out. Now the breakout should once we start breaking these levels up here, the breakout should be pretty significant. Now there is important level on the upside that we might actually go to, and the first first resistance that should come is this 2.33 resistance up here. I don't think we should be focusing anymore on the support lines. I don't think we need support lines. It was just something we said last time, but right now I think we should be focusing on the resistance, and this 50 moving average is gonna be first resistance outside. So as soon as we start breaking this 20 moving average up here and start popping towards the upside, getting up out of this triangle up here, the next target should be around the 2.33. that's 6.62% towards the upside from where we are right now, and that looks pretty legit right now, considering this being a 50 moving average, this being the triangle, this being the 200 moving average, getting up here, breaking it, and going all the way up to 2.33. So this is definitely some kind of first resistance, first target for the price movement towards the upside. Now once we get here, what's gonna happen? Once we get here, what's gonna happen? It's we can look at that when we get to that point. But right now we are still going a little bit sideways up here. But this candle up here is a very good candle, bullish engulfing candle, going up all the way to the 20 moving average. So it's getting ready. I think it's getting ready to break this again towards the upside. And once it breaks this 20 moving average to the upside again, that's gonna be game over for Cardano. It's going to the moon. There is no more stable coin sideways movement going on, because this is coming to an end pretty soon. We've seen what Bitcoin is doing. We are seeing what altcoins are doing right now. They are also pretty heavily, trying to hit their own resistance targets and break those to pop out of the triangles. So you know, it's gonna be soon, but definitely Cardano right now looking very, very nicely, and you know, it might just pop anytime now. That said, check out the link down below, daily altcoins video, if you want to see more on altcoins arena, what's good, what's not, what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's about to pump, and stuff like that during this the rest of the bull market. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to watch tomorrow's Cardano video and hit the like button on the way out. Thanks guys, bye bye.